can't stop it.
That's it, you're on.
Oh no, I'm locked on.
Oh, see the arena down there. Everyone all right?
No, don't put your arm. So it's really going to go back in a cold town. Wait, does it turn like that?
What nice views.
We drop here, go Ethan.
Hold on tight.
Oh no.
You ready? Here we go.
Oh no. Oh no. Hold on tight. We're going down a big drop now.
Yeah.
Hold on to now.
It's quite steep, this actually, isn't it?
You sure it's really steep?
Oh, that's our hotel. Look. Hotel Bell Rock. Got a video for that. You can watch it. It's a beautiful view. You can see all of the B&M Hyper, Silver Star over there. Blue Fire going round. And we're ready. Nice little sprinkling there. Not too bad. How did everybody fare? Robin's got a bit of a wet head.
I'm not wet.
Eden, are you alright? Yeah.
I'm not wet. My face is wet.
It's good fun. Well, it's quite a fair height that as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a steep old drop, really.
Scary.